Hey there, cleaning enthusiasts! If you're passionate about keeping your home spotless and free from those pesky stains, you're in the right place. Welcome back to the channel. We're thrilled to have you here with us today. Today, we are diving into the world of Vanish stain removers. We all know how frustrating it can be to deal with stubborn stains that just won't go away. Whether it's stubborn coffee spills, pesky ink marks, or just everyday grime, Vanish has got you covered. These products are designed to tackle even the toughest stains. Vanish offers a variety of products to tackle all kinds of stains. From powders to liquids and sprays, there's something for every cleaning need. First up, we have the Vanish Oxi Action Powder. This powerful formula is perfect for those deep-set stains that just won't budge, no matter how hard you try. This is perfect for those deep-set stains that just won't budge. It works wonders on a variety of fabrics, making it a versatile choice for your laundry needs. Available in convenient packs ranging from 200 grams to 2 kilograms, there's a size for everyone. Whether you're dealing with a small spill or a large load of laundry, Vanish Oxi Action Powder has you covered. Simply add a scoop to your laundry detergent and watch the magic happen. The powerful formula works deep into the fibers to lift and remove stains effectively. Next, there's the Vanish Liquid Stain Remover. This one's great for quick spot treatments and is incredibly easy to use. Just apply a bit directly to the stain, let it sit for a few minutes, and wash as usual. It's that simple. Just apply a bit directly to the stain, let it sit for a few minutes, and wash as usual. The liquid formula penetrates the stain, breaking it down for easy removal. It comes in handy 500 milliliters and 1 liter bottles, making it easy to store and use. Whether you need a small amount for a quick fix or a larger bottle for frequent use, Vanish has you covered. For those tough carpet stains, Vanish also has a carpet cleaner spray. This product is a game changer for anyone with carpets in their home, perfect for those unexpected spills and pet accidents. We all know how challenging it can be to keep carpets clean, especially with pets around. Just spray, scrub, and voila! Your carpet looks as good as new. The powerful formula lifts stains and leaves your carpet looking fresh and clean. Your carpet looks as good as new. It's like having a professional cleaning service in a bottle. This spray comes in a 500 milliliters bottle, ideal for keeping your home spotless. It's perfect for quick cleanups and regular maintenance. Now let's talk about user reviews. Many people have shared their positive experiences with Vanish products, and it's easy to see why. Many users rave about the Vanish Oxi Action Powder for its efficiency in removing old and stubborn stains. It's a favorite among those who deal with tough stains regularly. The liquid stain remover is praised for its convenience and quick action, especially for on-the-go fixes. It's a must-have for anyone who needs a reliable stain remover on hand. And the carpet cleaner spray? It's a lifesaver for busy households with kids and pets. Keeping your carpets clean has never been easier. The spray makes it easy to tackle stains quickly and effectively, so you can spend more time enjoying your home. If you're looking to try any of these amazing products, we've got you covered. You can find them easily online. Check out the video description for links to buy the top-rated Vanish stain removers on Amazon India and Flipkart with the best price offers. Don't miss out on these great deals. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Your support means the world to us. Don't forget to leave your comments and let us know your experience with Vanish products. We love hearing from you and learning about your cleaning tips and tricks. And of course, hit that subscribe button for more cleaning tips and product reviews. Stay tuned for more great content. Thank you so much for watching. Your support keeps us going and helps us create more helpful videos. Have a great day every day and stay blessed. Remember, a clean home is a happy home. See you in the next video. Bye. Stay tuned for more cleaning tips and product reviews.